Welcome to my channel, Boss Lady Empowerment. My name is Erica Hunter Scott, and today we're going to talk about 5 ways that you can make money online. If you're looking for a career change or you're looking for ways that you can make money going into the year 2019, then stay locked. If you're new to my channel is geared towards how to make money online. I talk about things from affiliate marketing, email marketing, different marketing strategies, a little bit of e-commerce, and just simply how to make money online, especially if you're looking to leave your 9-to-5, just like myself. So let's go ahead and get started on how to make money online. So job number 1 that we're going to talk about is being a virtual bookkeeper. What a virtual bookkeeper is a person who will help manage the books, maybe for a larger company or for a smaller company. In addition to that, you can actually do that remotely, just working from your home. Now, to be a bookkeeper usually takes maybe around a 2-year degree or associate's degree. However, you can gain those skill sets by taking online courses that will usually take you anywhere from 3 to 6 months to become a bookkeeper. Bookkeepers usually start off somewhere around $20 an hour on up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to provide a link down below that you can go to if you're interested in becoming a bookkeeper. Now, job number 2, you can become a live support agent, a chat customer service agent. Basically, what that job entails is the fact that you know how you go to these websites today and you see like a little bubble maybe in the right hand corner, or you see something pop up on your screen asking you if you need support, if you need help, or anything like that. Now, a lot of companies are hiring remotely for those type of positions. Companies are now needing more and more customer service chat support agents. And if you go out to a lot of these websites, or you're starting to see a lot more, maybe at the top of their screen, saying they're looking to hire live chat support agents. So that's one way that you can work from home. I actually have a friend who's actually doing that type of position. She works from the comfort of her home, and she's working for a company called P&G. I don't know if you know what P&G stands for, but it's Procter & Gamble. P&G is the type of company you may see they produce a lot of products that you see in your grocery stores, such as like Tide, dish detergent, and stuff like that. So she actually works from the comfort of her home 40 hours a week and makes a good amount of money doing it. So if you're interested in doing something like that, I will provide a couple links below for you to check out. Just to check out to see if that's something that you're interested in. But that's something that if you're interested in, maybe that's something you want to do, or maybe you're looking for a little side job or anything like that, or maybe looking to make a little extra money. This would probably be a good job, a good fit for you. Now, the third job that I'm going to mention that you can do in 2019, or maybe you can even start now, is becoming a virtual assistant. Guys, there's people out there, there's businesses out there, there's local businesses out there who are hiring people to do tasks for them that maybe they can't do on a daily basis, or it's taking too much of their time to do on a daily basis. Now, you may be thinking a virtual assistant is a competitive market, but actually you can get your feet wet with being a virtual assistant on websites like Upworks.com, Freelancer.com. Now, they don't pay a lot of money. However, if you want to start getting your feet wet, getting the experience, and maybe growing some clientele, then that'd be a great way to start working in that arena of being a virtual assistant. Now, being a virtual assistant is definitely a great thing to do, especially if you don't have experience. You can get your experience. If you do have experience, I am going to provide a couple links below where you can go check out those websites who are looking with people who are reliable, who can help them with daily tasks on a daily basis. So if you're interested in being a virtual assistant, just check out the 2 links that I have below. Or if you like I said before, if you're just looking to get your feet wet, maybe you don't have the experience of being virtual assistants, great option. If you need a side gig and you're looking to work remotely from home, or work just remotely, period, go to Freelancer, go to Upworks, and just try it out before you want to try to divulge yourself or indulge yourself into something that maybe it's really not for you or not. However, I think being a virtual assistant, it would be a great opportunity for those who are definitely looking for a side hustle. A virtual assistant is just someone who may need to help someone who's like a person like me. If I need help, someone who needs to answer emails, or if I need someone who needs help doing some daily tasks or Excel spreadsheets, or whatever your skills might be. And the great thing about being a virtual assistant is the fact that a lot of these skills of being a virtual assistant is skills that you have maybe already acquired. It's not like you have to go out and get a certification to be a virtual assistant. So if that's something that you're interested in, just check out the couple links that I provide below. Or like I said, just go check out Freelancer or Upworks and maybe get a couple gigs that way, just so that you can get your feet wet in the arena of being a virtual assistant. Now, the fourth job that I want to mention is being a typist. Typing. Getting paid for typing. Yes, there are jobs out there that would pay you to type. There's jobs out there that would pay you to write blogs. There's companies out there that needs content for their website. There's companies out there that may need articles that need to be written. I will provide a couple links below. A lot of these typing or article writing type of jobs that are out there, they will pay you on a per word basis. Yes. So if you write a 4,000 word article, you could get paid maybe $200 just for writing a 4,000 word article. And the two websites I will provide below, you can go check those out. It could be, if you love to type, do it that way. Oh, and I also want to mention too, you don't initially have to type. If you have one of those speaking recognition software, you can have them write this stuff out for you. You don't actually have to type all that stuff in. Doo-doo. Ha-ha. Use the software. Speak it into the application. Let it write the article for you. Just speak it out. Because a lot of times you can get a lot of words out. If you can't type that fast, you can get a lot of words out just by speaking. So I will provide two websites, a couple websites below that you can go check out. They do pay on a per word basis. And if you're interested and love to write, love to create content that way, if you love the blog, yes, companies are looking for people who are bloggers, then go check out the two websites that I'm going to provide below. The last and final job that I'm going to provide for you that you can do going into the year 2019 is one of my absolute favorites, affiliate marketing. Yes, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is basically just selling other people's product and services. You do not have to create the products yourselves. You don't have to provide the service yourself. The only thing you have to do is connect the people to the product, the target audience to the product. Yes, and that's all you have to do. You just have to bring them leads. That's one of my favorite things that I love to do. It's a great way of making money online. I can't give you a range of how much you'll make because it really depends upon your action and what action that you take. But I love doing affiliate marketing. I love providing value around affiliate marketing. I love helping people who's trying to get into affiliate marketing. I will provide a couple websites below, but you do have a couple websites like ClickBank. You got JVZoo. Those are easy websites to start off with, especially if you are a beginner. If you're a beginner and this is something that you've been interested in, maybe it's something you didn't know, that you don't know, you wasn't sure you wanted to get into it, start off with those two websites first, just to get your feet wet into the business. I'm going to provide a link below. My recommended product that I use as far as with affiliate marketing that I'm currently promoting. This digital product provides value. And if you're interested in getting into affiliate marketing, it teaches you the digital strategies on how to make money online. So if you want to check that out below, I'll provide that in my description as well. It's the tools that I use on how I promote products and what makes me successful as being an affiliate marketer online. So With that being said, I hope you have gotten a lot out of this video. If there's anything that you want me to talk about, just comment below. If you're new to my channel and you want to see more of my videos, or because I do provide content on a consistent basis, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell just so that you're notified when I'm uploading new content. And if you're already subscribed to my channel, thank you for coming back. Stay locked into my channel, and I will see you all in the next video.